New trailers have been dropped online showcasing 4 new combatants for Injustice 2. Swamp Thing, Cheetah, Catwoman, and Poison Ivy were confirmed as newest playable characters. And the trailer gives us a taste of new mechanics, stages, customization options, super moves, and the look of the story of Injustice 2, where the heroes and villains of the DC universe having to deal with being scattered and torn apart in the aftermath of Injustice 1 while having to fend off the newest threat to Earth, the alien android Brainiac. Be sure to pick up Injustice 2 on May 16, 2017 on PS4 and Xbox One.
You're either with me or against me. We both knew it had come to this.
It was only a matter of time.
I'll try to make it painless.
I fight crime, not commit it. My claws will cut you down.
I thought you were done with crime.
How else can a girl get your attention? Surprised to see me, Ivy? Thought your 9 lives were used up. I'd rather show than tell. I'll leave when I'm done with you.
My grandfather talked about you, Swamp Thing.
They shall go, disrespecting nature.
He said if I meet you, to kill you.